Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how licensing organisation administrators are able to invite employees to their team licensing org as members. There are two ways that you can create invitations for users to join your licensing org. They can be created one at a time or created in bulk. Both ways of creating invitations can be accessed by navigating to the Invitations tab. Here, you can invite members, manage invitations that have been sent, revoke invitations, and delete members. To invite members, press the Invite Members button at the bottom of the screen. Once clicked, you're prompted to assign the invitee to a group. Please select the default employees group that is created when your licensing org is first set up. Members can then be added to additional groups if required, once they've accepted their invitation. Once the group is assigned, click Proceed. Once Proceed is clicked, you'll be taken to this page. In here, you can draft invitations. To create an invitation for a single member, click Add. In the window that opens, input the email address of the member that you want to invite in the recipient email field, and the recipient's first and last names into the recipient name field. The name present in the inviter field is dependent on the name of the admin inviting users, but can be manually changed. You are also able to include a personal message to invitees in the personal message field, but this is optional. Once all necessary information has been input into their relevant field, click Save. Once an invitation has been saved, the invitation draft becomes available in the invitation drafts list. Please note that until you click Approve and Send, the invitations are not sent to team members. To create invitations to be sent to multiple members in one go, you can create a batch invite. Here, multiple invitations can be added at once. When inviting members in a batch, individual users should be placed on separate lines and should be in the following order: email, first name, last name. All three pieces of information must be separated by a comma, or else this step will fail. So for example, joey.wheeler@foundry.com, Joey, Wheeler. Currently, batch invites are limited to 50 members per batch. Once all members are added to the batch, click Add. If input correctly, each member present in the batch will be listed as an individual invite in the invitations draft screen. It should also be noted that when creating user invitations, any errors such as an email not existing or a user already having an open invite are displayed in the drafts invitation screen once Approve and Send is clicked. Once invitations have been drafted for all team members that you wish to invite, click Approve and Send. Once clicked, all recipients are sent the following email. Recipients wishing to accept the invitation should click the View Your Invitations button at the bottom of the email. Once clicked, if the recipient does not have a Foundry account, the recipient will be prompted to create one. If the email is tied to a Foundry account, they'll be asked to log in and then shown the following page. All the recipient needs to do is click Accept, and they're added to the team licensing organisation. You can view members who have accepted invitations to the licensing org in the Users tab of the Team Licensing dashboard. To view open, declined or revoked invitations, navigate to the Invitations tab and change the state to All. Once changed, click Apply. Once Apply is clicked, you are able to view all invitations sent as well as their status. In here, you're also able to resend, revoke, and delete invitations sent to members.